Revered Principal, honorable teachers and my dear friends, first of all, great morning to all.
Great morning, Harshita.
My name is Harshita. I study in 6th class. I study in Sunrise Foundation School and today I am here for mastering the concept and my topic is Chapter 9. Plants form and function. Plants form and function. In this chapter, we will study about plants, that how they are formed and what are their functions. So, I think everyone knows that what are plants? So now I am going to teach you about its roots. Yes, there are two types of roots. Roots are the part which are underground and they are non-green. It helps the plant to absorb water, mineral from the soil. So there are two types of roots and they are, first is taproot and second is fibrous root. Taproot, fibrous root, taproot, fibrous root. So now I am going to teach you that what is taproot. Okay, these are called taproots. The plant which has only one main root is called taproot. As you can see in this diagram, this plant has only one main root, this. So these types of roots are called taproot. These types of roots are called taproot. Yes. Now I am going to teach you about fibrous root. What are fibrous root? Watch in this diagram. The plant has roots. The plant, it didn't has any main root. It has all the separated roots. So these types of roots are called fibrous root. These types of roots are called fibrous root. Now, I am going to teach you about flower. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we are going to study about the parts of the flower and the functions of the flower. So, as you can see in this flower, that this brightest portion of the flower is known as petal. What is it known as?
Petals.
Yes, petals. As you can see in the diagram, here is the pinkish color which is brightest of the flower. This is known as petal. What it is known as?
Petal.
Yes, and as you can see here in this flower, that there are the greenish portion. These are known as sepals. What they are known as?
Sepals.
See, I have broken it. See, this is known as sepal. This is known as?
Sepals.
And this is known as?
Petals.
Yes, this is known as?
Sepals.
And this is known as petals. Okay, now you know what are sepals and petals?
Yes, ma'am.
The group of petal is known as corolla. The group of petal is known as?
Corolla.
Yes. And as you can see here, that this is the female portion. In our flower, there is one male portion, there is one
Male portion.
and there is also one female portion.
Female portion.
Male portion,
Male portion.
female portion.
Female portion.
In male portion, see, as you can see in the diagram, this is the male portion. This one. So, let me show you in this. So, this is the male portion of the flower. See, Trisha? This is the male portion of the flower. We call it stamen. We call it?
Stamen.
We call it?
Stamen.
Yes, and this is the female portion of the flower. This is the?
Female portion of the flower.
This is the female portion of the flower.
This is the female portion of the flower.
And we call the female portion pistil. What we call?
Pistil.
What we call?
Pistil.
And the male portion stamen. The male portion?
Stamen.
And female portion?
Pistil.
Male portion?
Stamen.
Female portion?
Pistil.
Now we are going to study about stamen in detail. And firstly, what is stamen? It is a male portion of the flower. So as you can see here, it has two parts. The stamen has two parts. The stamen has
Two parts.
see, there is one and this is one. Okay. So as you can watch in the diagram, there is one and this one is called anther. This one is called
Anther.
This is anther in the flower. You can see here the male portion stamen has this part and this is called
Anther.
This is called
Anther.
Yes, as you can see. Okay. Now it has one more part which is called filament. Which is called
Filament.
And this is called
Filament.
and this full portion and this full is called stamen. This full male portion is called stamen. These are the parts of stamen. These are the
Parts of stamen.
and the male portion, full male portion is called stamen. Okay. Now we will study in detail about pistil. Means the female portion. Pistil is the
Female portion.
pistil is the
Female portion.
and stamen is the
Male portion.
Yes, as you can see, the female portion has three parts. Three parts. How many parts?
3 parts.
Yes, the female portion has
3 parts.
and the male portion has
3 parts.
the male portion has two parts and the female portion has three parts. So, we will study that what are the three parts. So, as you can see in this flower, wait. See, as you can see in this flower that this is ovary. This is called
Ovary.
As you can watch in the diagram, this is called ovary. There are many ovules which will become the seed. Which will become the
Seed.
Yes, this is called ovary and in the ovary there are ovules. There are
Ovule.
and they will become the seed. They will become the
Seed.
and this one, this is called style. This is called
Style.
This is called
Style.
See in the picture that this portion like this. This portion is known as stigma. This portion is known as
Stigma.
This portion is known as
Stigma.
These are the female parts. These are the
Female part.
Yes, the female part is known as pistil
The female part is known as pistil.
and the pistil has these three parts. Pistil has
3 parts.
what is pistil
Female portion.
and what is male portion? Yes. So this is all about our flowers. Thank you. Have a nice day.